Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we are talking about the dynamic realm of the API calls. Here we talking about the powerful API tool in the Flutter is the Dio package. For the API call or the application programming interface are the backbones of the modern software development, enabling the seamless communication and the data exchange between the different applications. In this tutorial, we'll explore the art of making API calls using the Flutter and the Dio. Whether you are fetching the real-time data, submitting the user inputs, or integrating the external services, Dio simplifies the process. Dio simplifies the process with its intuitive and the robust functionality. So join us. We unravel the mysteries of API interaction with the Flutter and the Dio. Get ready to elevate your app development skills and unlock the endless possibility. This is my base code. I have this fresh project. I am just cleaning the unwanted code here. This is a fresh project. Today we are going to implement the API call in Flutter, okay, using the Dio package. So let's get started without wasting any time. Firstly, we should understand what is the Dio package. Okay, I just go to Google and just Dio Flutter. Okay, then we can see here a powerful HTTP networking package for Flutter, support the cloud configuration, intercept, form data, request cancellation, file uploading, download, anything. Okay, we see here this is only a gateway between the server to the client. Then it's could help us to get the data, to post the data, to send the request, to send the form data, to file uploading, downloading, anything, right? This is only a helper function for our project, right? Then the first thing we have to do here is we should import, we should add these packages in our project. How we can do? We do through the command line flutter pop add dio. Okay, done. First thing we did already, and the second thing is here we are implementing this API, right? We have this one API, then we are going to get all this data and we are posting in our view. Okay, in the basic way, who just started the programming, we don't have nothing knowledge about the API call. Okay, those who are new, basically this video promote those people who are new here. The next thing is we already have the Dio package inside our machine. Then we need to make the object for the Dio. Dio, okay, Dio, then Dio. Nice. You can see here it's imported automatically. The next thing, we have to create one method. I'm just creating the one method for the get post, right? Then how we can do it? Just I'm just making one method future. It is not written anything but then get posts. I'm just creating this method. This should be the async. Okay, the next thing is response equal to, then we have to wait some time for the response, then dio.get, right? Then we should have the path for the API, and okay, then we can print the result here. First we have this path, this is our API, right? Then I'm making one string API URL. I have this URL here. Okay. The next thing we have to do here is we just print API URL here. Then we have the response. If we print this response here, then this will print it in our debug console. Okay, then let's do it. Nothing. Why? Because this method is not calling anywhere. So we have to init state, then inside the separate init get posts. Okay, I call this method here. If you run it again, then we see here is our response. See, user ID, this transcript ID, everything here, right? We got the data here. The next thing I see here, something is missing here, right? The missing portion of the thing is, whenever we face the error, then the app will be crash. So we should handle the every error here, right? Before getting the response, then we have the try and catch block, right? Try and the catch block. Then error, here we get the error. So we should have null this block of the code inside the try block, inside the class block. We should print the error here. Then if you get the error, then it's just not doing anything inside this. Into the catch, and we should this error is should print this error, right? The next thing we are doing here, we have the data, all this data, right? Then we are going to setting of this data inside the list view in our this view, right? So the next thing, we have one list, right? The list should be typed the dynamic. We don't know what data we are expecting here. Post. Then I'm going to make this the empty list. The next thing, we have the everything here. Then just we already learn about the state manager. I call the set state. Then posts means response the data. Everything inside here. Then we call the data. Then every data inside this. Okay, next thing I am going to list view.separate. Then item count should be what we have, posts.length. The next thing is separate folder is the first one is this context, index, then size box. It should be the 5. Okay, I'm putting this 10 and this should be the constant. The next thing is item builder. Here should be our context and index, right? Then we're returning one list and list style. Okay, we're returning here list style. If you run this code, then we should have the too many list style here, right? Okay, nothing happened. It is okay. Then we're doing the right thing. No worries about this. Then the next thing we have here everything. Then we just implementing here. Just we have inside this we have the title. First we have leading. Then we are just adding here. What is the leading here? Is text, right? And index. That's 2 string. this is our leading here. There you can see here, leading is already printed here very nicely. I'm just also wrapping this here with the circular avatar, then it should be good here. See, these are all our leading that we get the data from. Then title, text, then title should be, what is your title? We have here the post, then we are making one more data here. Final data is equal to post index, right? Then see the data structure, we have the title, body, like this, right? Then we are implementing here data, then title. You see the magic. We paste all the title here, right? See, we have all the titles here. The next thing is title color, text color, title, text style. Okay, text style, and then we are implementing here font size 18, font weight bold, and font color start. For example, we are having green. Okay, see, we have the green color here for the title. Then the next thing here, we should have const this. Okay, then subtitle. Okay, then it should be also the same thing here, and this is the body, right? Then you can see here we have the title and subtitle. We paste all the data here, right? Then if you make it in a one card view, then see, it's really nice. Then also we can get some here container, and here margin is cons is inserted symmetric, horizontal 10 and vertical 10. See, it's really nice view, right? Okay, in the next tutorial, or if you need the push request, then just comment below. I will make the video for the push request as well, or even the put request, patch request, delete request. Even if you want to know about the interceptor, I already talked about here. We have the interceptor as well, right? Then if you needed any types of the video for this tutorial, API handling, or if you have any errors you face during the API call, just comment below. I'll be here to solve any of the problem, right? Thank you so much for this tutorial. We'll see you in the next tutorial.